Hi guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the $5 Goodwill spring channel that I saw at Hillary's over at Old World Home. The challenge is not to spend more than $5 for a spring decor for your home. So I'm going over to the Goodwill and I see this cute little tray that I see, and I saw this little inspiration I saw with my crushed glass. So I want to do this simple little project. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is my project for my Goodwill. So you can see that it was half price. This is Goodwill Wednesday. It's 40% off. So that was $4.99, and you saw the price and I showed you at the store. So basically what I want to do is just spray this with some color paste here. And the color paste is just like a fast dry, and I also just wanted sort of like a matte finish. I didn't want anything too shiny because this here is going to go on top of my entertainment center, and my entertainment center is black. So, and it has sort of like glass fixtures on the edge of it. So I want to have this here, and I'm going to put crushed glass here with some candles. All right, so basically the only thing I'm going to do now is put my gloves on and I'm going to spray. Make sure you shake fine. Alright guys, so I finished painting front and back. It came out really nice. It's very dull. You can see here it has no shine to it whatsoever. I used the matte painting, and actually that painting, that spray paint was only 98 cents at Walmart. So the next thing I'm going to do is put some crushed glass on the bottom. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I got this idea from when I was checking out the crystals in the crushed glass. I noticed they use this for fireplaces. So I came up with this idea. So I'm just gonna lay all of this whole packages in here. Okay. Which is pretty, but I think I want my blue on top. I'm not going to mix it. I'm just going to lay it right on top so it can be full. Okay, so I'm using the blue. I really like that blue. I think it's gorgeous. And since I had so much of the extra silver, on top, cover on top. So, okay, so I'm going to put my candles in. So it kind of covers. And one here.